Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play. This is episode number 3, I believe, or 4. I don't remember. It's kind of hard to keep track now. But we're going to be probably building a new house. You could see by the title. If anything interesting happens, you probably know what it is because you see the title. But yeah, we're going to go mining a bit. First of all, let's chop down this big tree because it's huge. Oh my goodness. This has so many logs. I love these type of trees. The ones that are just stacked with logs. But it's also really, really annoying to chop. That's why I have my trusty iron axe and a full set of iron armor. Alright. And I'm not getting that. That's too much. Also, I got another blast furnace. I think we should go mining a bit. Just in case. We should also go exploring. Oh. Yeah. Yeet. I want a pet. Ooh, sugarcane. I don't know what we can do with that, but maybe we can make some stuff. Oh, wait. Mountains. No. I don't know what it's called, but when I see it, I'll know. It's a really good place for diamonds. Maybe that gives it away. Wait a minute, did I just, slide? No. Ow. Something hills, I think. Right now it's mountains. Sorry if this stuff is annoying, but I really need it. How is this mountains? Mountains usually have a ton of coal, but I don't really need coal. Ooh, a sheep. I need 2 more pieces of wool. I need 1 more piece of wool. I need 0 more pieces of wool. Alright, this is not mountains. It can't be. If this is mountains, I swear. How is this mountains? This is not mountains. Just keep on exploring. Oh. See something right there. Dude, I love when this happens. I'm just gonna dig down to this cave. Pretty sure I saw a cave here. Oh, yeah. I did not see it this way. Oh, because there is nothing there. Oh, well, there's nothing here. I'm just gonna dig straight down. That's the #1 rule in Minecraft. Dig down. Oh, I hear lava. This might be a short episode. Oh yeah. Where is this? Oh. Ooh, gold. Emerald! Ah! I need that. Ah, and it burned. Come on, nothing. Great, we're at bedrock. Yeah, this is gonna be a 10-minute episode because I gotta do some stuff. I hear lava right here. Emeralds again, jeez. Oh. 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 Nothing that way. Nioi hoi minoi minine. Nioi hoi minoi minoi. What? How do I have 2 emeralds? Oh, that's a big thing. God. Oh my god! Did I actually just pass those? The amount of people who are going to be yelling at me in the comments is unreal. Wait. Hold on. Okay, always gotta check. I bet nobody's gonna even watch that far and is just gonna see me pass diamonds and gonna be like going straight to comments being like, "You idiot! You passed diamonds!" And I'll be like, "Watch the video." And they'll be like, "Oh, my bad, my bad." And I'll be like, "Oh, that's alright. Well, we found gold. I don't really need gold, so it's fine. Get out of here, gold. I'm gonna go get some more diamonds." Soon I'll have to make myself an iron set. I need a lot of iron actually, so I'm gonna get some more iron. Did I say iron set? I meant diamond. I do not like being so close to lava. Since I keep inventory on, I'm just gonna kill myself when my pickaxe breaks. Imagine it breaks and okay, I'm just gonna. Ooh, I need to take this off. Alright. Oh, a bit of lag. I need to go look for my house. There it is. I always forget where it is. Jeez, it's so dark. Alright, I'm gonna make a second floor to this house. Oh, that won't work. All right. This is gonna look really sick, by the way. Alright, I need sand. Oh, there's no sand anywhere. There was a desert. Where do we see that sugar cane? Was that? It was over here. Ow. Ow. Sand! We need a lot of this. Should have brought a shovel. Minecraft is so beautiful. Come on. Kill me. Hey, I died. It's me, a deathy. Oh. You guys seeing this? Oh my god. My god, I'm so laggy. I think this is how you make it. No, it's logs. Okay, I'm so laggy. Ow. Oh wait. Oh. That is getting better, but it's not. Yeah, it works. Or how long have we been recording? That long, okay. Has there. I guess you can't smoke on either of those. Well, I think we're going to end the video here because I got to go. But if you did enjoy, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.